Hi, today we're gonna do some colorful arepas. So we have some beet juice, we have some spinach juice and some carrot juice. This is just, I just substitute the water for juices, and we're gonna do with our corn flour. Gonna add a little bit of salt for each one, like half a spoon, teaspoon actually. And I'm gonna use for this one hand shoes, as I don't wanna get the red hands. So now we just add our flour to our juice slowly. Just if you are unexperienced, just do it little bit by little bit, slowly. Just mix it and let it absorb the water. And just look, we need a lot of moisture. Let it quite wet, and let it, when it is like that, just let it rest, and let's go with the next one. Let it just 5 to 10 minutes rest, and it will absorb more water. So let's go. So after 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes there, you clean it again, and this is the time where we're gonna adjust. We can add whether water or a little bit of flour. It depends on the texture we have. Yeah, you see, we need a little bit more of flour, and once you get a ball and it doesn't get sticky in your hands or in the pot as well, it's just like done. It doesn't have to be too hard, because otherwise we're gonna dry a lot before we cook it, and it will be not so nice. So just let it be a little bit moisture. You will see, look at these textures. That is what we need. So, carrots, beet, spinach. Here we are. We are just gonna form our small balls, and we are gonna just do our arepas. For this time, I'm using this kind of a tool I created for myself. When I'm doing a lot of arepas and just need speed up, I just do this one. Just did it myself and just push it, and that's it. Look, they are perfect. They are all same size, all same weight, and now we just need to put them on the pan. So here we are. They are ready to be stuffed. So I got three different flavors. So we're gonna do pool meat, tuna, and chicken. So now we got the pelua, which is pool meat with yellow cheese. We got tuna salad with avocado and coriander, and we got reina, which is chicken with avocado, and the catira, which is the same reina but with yellow cheese. So now here we are. I hope you like it, enjoy it, add colors to the life and to the food. Have a nice journey, and don't remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comment if you have any question. Take care, everyone. Cheers.